The train begins to move slowly from the station. It is early in the morning, and a misty, cool autumn fog wraps around everything. The trees stand tall, their leaves turning shades of orange and red. They sway gently as the train passes by, like old friends waving goodbye. The passengers sit quietly inside, some reading or dozing, while others watch the scenery pass by through the windows. The rhythmic clacking of the train wheels on the tracks is soothing, a lullaby for the ears. Outside, the light changes from soft white to a warm orange as the sun peeks through the mist. As the train picks up speed, it moves more smoothly and gently, like a giant rocking chair cradling its passengers. The engine's hum becomes softer, almost like a distant heartbeat. The trees grow farther apart, their branches reaching out as if trying to grasp the train one last time before they disappear into the mist once again. The scenery outside is beautiful and dreamy, with only the occasional glimpses of the sun breaking through the clouds. The air smells fresh, carrying the scent of autumn leaves and damp earth. The train slowly creeps along the winding track, as if taking its time to enjoy every moment on this journey. Through the windows, a thick mist seems to hug the hills, making everything seem soft and gentle. It's like a blanket of quietness covering the world outside. Outside, the mountains rise up one after another, their peaks barely visible through the mist. The trees that line the train path are tall and strong, their leaves a beautiful mix of orange, yellow, and red. The colors dance in the cold autumn wind, rustling softly as they move. A soft breeze blows past, carrying with it the sweet scent of fallen leaves. It's a gentle smell, full of old memories and new promises. The train continues to slowly glide forward, passing by trees that seem like giants in this hazy landscape. The sun starts to dip lower in the sky, painting everything around in a warm, golden light. The mist seems to shimmer with the light, making the whole scene look magical. It's as if you're walking through a fairy tale, the train and passengers just part of this tranquil dream world. The train continues to move slowly through the misty mountains. As it slides past, the landscape gradually transforms into a picture of peaceful countryside. The fields stretch out as far as you can see, golden and green in the autumn sun. A gentle breeze rustles the leaves on the trees by the tracks. The sun casts warm, yellow light over everything, making the colors more vibrant. You see farmers working in their fields, their plows moving back and forth through the rows of crops. Cattle graze peacefully under the soft light, their bellies full from a good feed. Occasionally, you pass small villages tucked into hillsides or nestled between the trees. The houses look cozy, with chimneys puffing out little clouds of smoke. Children play in front of their homes, laughing as they chase each other around the yards. Old men sit on porches, watching the world go by and enjoying a moment of peace. The air is crisp and clean, filled with the scent of earth and hay. A sense of calm settles over you as you watch the countryside slide by. The peacefulness of it all is almost hypnotic. As the sun sets lower in the sky, the color changes to orange and pink, painting the world around us like a beautiful picture book. The train moves slowly across a misty river, its passage marked by the soft thud of the wheels on the tracks. The river is wide but calm, with water flowing gently beneath it. You can see the ripples moving softly, almost like tiny waves dancing in the evening light. The reflection of the autumn sky makes the river look as if it's a mirror, showing you the colors of the trees and the clouds above. As we cross this peaceful river, the sound of the water is very soothing. It feels like a lullaby, flowing quietly beneath us as the train continues on its journey. The banks of the river are covered with trees that have turned different shades of red, orange, and yellow. The leaves rustle softly in the wind, creating a gentle whispering sound that adds to the calm. After crossing the river, we continue our slow journey into the misty evening, with only the soft hum of the train and the distant sounds of nature for company. The train begins to slow down as it enters an old tunnel. At first, everything is dark inside the tunnel. No light from outside can reach in. The sound of the engine hums softly, almost like a lullaby. You feel the gentle rocking motion of the train, which is soothing and calming. As the train moves deeper into the tunnel, you hear the soft scraping sounds as the train pulls against the walls. The darkness seems to stretch on endlessly, but then the light at the end starts to grow bigger. Slowly, a small patch of light appears, first just a line, then growing wider until it spills out like a curtain being drawn back. Outside, you can see the misty mountains again. They look different in this fading light, soft and hazy. The train continues on its path through the tunnel, but now the engine sounds are more regular and rhythmic as they come closer to the exit. As you emerge from the tunnel, a fresh breeze carries with it the scent of autumn leaves and damp earth. The morning sun casts a golden hue over everything, and you see the trees standing tall in the misty landscape, their branches swaying gently. The train continues its slow journey up the mountainside. As it climbs, the trees grow thinner, and the landscape changes around us. We see more clearly now, thanks to the thinning fog that swirled like a ghostly veil through the valleys below. Higher and higher we go, until the train begins to emerge into what feels like an open sky. The air grows cooler, crisp against our skin, as if it were morning dew on the leaves. A gentle breeze stirs, carrying with it the sweet scent of damp earth and fallen leaves that blanket the ground. The view changes yet again, with broad peaks standing tall in front of us, their summits shrouded in a light gray mist. These mountains are giants, holding secrets within their ancient, weathered faces. The train moves closer to one peak, its shadow stretching out like a protective hand. As we pass by, the trees on this side of the valley grow even fewer. We can see right up into the heart of the mountain, where rocks and patches of green emerge from the misty shroud. It feels as if we are getting a glimpse of something mystical, something hazy, yet awe-inspiring. Outside the windows, the world seems to slow down. Time stretches out like an endless morning, allowing us to take in every detail, every curve of the mountain, every patch of moss on a rock, and even the patches of light that peek through the mist. The passengers turn their heads, some whispering softly about what they've seen or might see next. The air is filled with a sense of wonder and peace. Even the chug-chug of the train seems to fit into this tranquil rhythm, almost as if it too understands the magic of the moment. As we look out at these mountain peaks, the world feels quiet and still. There's no rush or hurry, just a gentle journey through time itself, filled with beauty and calm. As we continue our journey through the autumn mountains, the train slows as it approaches a beautiful valley below. The thick fog begins to lift, revealing a breathtaking view. The once misty landscape clears into a patchwork of colors and textures. Outside the window, fields stretch out like a colorful blanket. Rows of golden wheat stand tall in some areas, while deep green forests cover others. A gentle river winds its way through this picturesque scene, catching the sunlight as it shimmers like a silver ribbon threading through the landscape. The train moves slowly, giving us plenty of time to enjoy these peaceful views. The air is crisp and fresh, carrying with it the scent of fallen leaves and damp earth. You can almost feel the soft mist on your skin, a gentle caress from the morning mist that clings tightly to the ground. As we travel further into the valley, the river begins to widen. Small bridges span across it, connecting small towns nestled at its banks. These towns are built of simple wooden houses, their colors blending with the green and gold of their surroundings. The buildings seem almost like part of the landscape, fitting seamlessly into this natural world. Children play in the fields or by the river, their laughter mingling with the cawing of birds from nearby trees. The sound is soft and soothing, creating a calm ambience that makes one feel safe and at peace. Even as we move through these scenes, there's an almost magical stillness to it all, a moment suspended between day and night. The sky starts to change as the afternoon sun sets. The once bright blue fades into a gentle orange, casting a warm glow over the misty mountains. The train moves slowly through the valley, with each passing second bringing more warmth and softness to everything it touches. The trees along the track stand tall in the fading light, their leaves catching the last bits of sunlight like tiny golden mirrors. A light breeze whispers through the branches, making them sway gently from side to side. The sound is soothing, like a lullaby, as if nature itself is trying to help us relax and prepare for sleep. Outside the windows, colorful leaves dance in the wind, creating a beautiful pattern of reds, oranges, and yellows on the ground below. A small stream nearby reflects the warm sunlight, turning its waters into ribbons of gold that shimmer as they flow. Inside the train, the air feels cool but not cold. It is just right, neither too hot nor too chilly. The walls are a soft brown, with simple wooden seats arranged in rows. People sit quietly, most with their eyes closed or lost in thought, perhaps imagining the beauty of the landscape outside. The train whistle occasionally sounds, its deep and steady tone adding to the peaceful atmosphere. It seems to say, "All is well," as if checking that everyone is safe and comfortable for the journey ahead. As the sun sinks lower, a soft pinkish haze covers the mountain tops, turning them into gentle mounds of rosy clouds. The landscape becomes softer with each passing minute, as if it's preparing us to fall asleep in its embrace. As the sun slides lower, the sky begins to change color. Soft pinks mix with deep blues and purples, like a painter's palette on the edge of daybreak. The trees along the tracks seem to glow in these soft hues, their leaves turning from green to a vibrant orange and red before finally falling into shadows. The train slows down as it approaches a small village nestled between rolling hills. Small lights come on inside the windows of the cottages and houses, creating a warm glow that contrasts with the cooler tones of the night sky outside. The sounds of the world below, the barking of a dog, the clucking of chickens, are clear and peaceful. The train's own lights are now visible, twinkling softly like stars in the darkness. Each light shines on the tracks ahead, casting a gentle glow that dances with the light filtering through the trees. It feels as if the train is being guided by its own lights, moving slowly but surely toward the night. As the sun slowly sets, painting the sky with warm orange and pink hues, the train begins to slow down. The wheels click softly against the tracks, a gentle lullaby that quiets the last of the passengers. The trees around us stand tall and still, their leaves a brilliant array of reds, oranges, and yellows in the fading light. The train comes to a complete stop with a soft clunk. A hush falls over the carriage as everyone turns to gaze out the windows. The station is small, nestled deep within the misty mountains. Smoke from nearby chimneys rises slowly into the air, making everything seem more magical and serene. The wind carries with it the faint scent of autumn leaves, a soft whisper that seems almost like the last words of the journey. Passengers gather their belongings and step onto the platform. Some wander off to explore this quiet station, while others stay close by, content to linger in the warmth of the train's memory. The conductor waves from his position near the doors, bidding everyone a good night with a smile that is warm and friendly. As the last passengers disembark, the train begins to pull away silently. It moves slowly down the tracks, leaving behind its final destination. The lights inside flicker softly as the world outside grows darker. The trees close in around us, their branches catching what little light remains, creating a peaceful blanket of shadows and silhouettes. The journey may be over, but the memories linger of the quiet whispers of the wind, the gentle rustling of leaves, and the soothing rhythm that has been your companion through the night. As you step off the train, you feel grateful for this serene passage through misty autumn mountains.